Hey, this is Luke. We're here installing a ceiling in my home in Knoxville, Tennessee. For this room, we went with a VG Hemlock ceiling. It has very unique characteristics to it. Really a beautiful product. What I love about this is the end match feature that this product has. So instead of having just butt joints that have no way to attach them, this actually is an end match. So we have a tongue and a groove on every end of boards, so that when you're going to install your seams, you don't have to break on a joist above, whether it's going on a wall or a ceiling. You don't have to worry about that you have nailer behind it, because the end match will allow that board to connect to the other. The huge advantage of that is it creates minimal waste. So when you're ordering the product, you don't have to be very specific about the lengths. You just have to make sure you have enough square footage, because where if you end on a 16-footer and you need 4 more feet, you grab the next board, cut 4 feet and go. You're not having to subtract and go back to the ceiling joist that was 13 inches behind it, let's say. So a great feature that this product has with their end match.